Microplastics have been all over the news lately, but what exactly are these tiny pieces of plastic everyone keeps talking about? See, we use so many plastic items every day, from food containers to synthetic materials that our clothes is made out of. That, over time, just doesn't disappear. They break down into incredibly small pieces called microplastics. These tiny particles are everywhere because of the constant wear and tear of our daily lives. Now, think about, for example, when you last washed that cozy fleece jacket gifted to you back 2 winter breaks ago. Every spin of the cycle in the washer releases thousands of tiny plastic fibers that go down the drain. And where do you think they end up? More often than not, they travel through the water system and eventually reach the oceans. Once there, they are free to roam throughout the environment. It's incredibly easy for microplastics to find their way into our bodies. We can breathe them from the air, we can drink them in our water, and we can consume them through food, especially seafood. Fish that are filter feeders, like mussels and oysters, are particularly prone to accumulating microplastics as they filter water for food. And larger fish that eat smaller contaminated fish can also accumulate these particles. If you're concerned about microplastics in seafood, smaller fish with a shorter lifespan, like sardines and anchovies, might be a potential safer option. But don't take my word for it just yet. Scientists still say that more research is needed in this particular subject matter. One thing that is certain, though, is that microplastics have been found in many human organs, like the heart, liver, kidney, and even the brain. This has risen significant concerns about the long term effects of microplastics in our bodies. But don't worry, I'm not just here to bum you out. I'm not just the bearer of bad news. It's not all doom and gloom. There are steps we can take as individuals to fight back against these tiny troublemakers. One particular step is improving the way we drink water. Using a good quality water filter can significantly reduce the amount of microplastics we consume through hydration. Diet also plays an important role. Take, for example, compounds called anthocyanins found in many colorful fruits and vegetables. They are powerful antioxidants that have been shown to help mitigate some of the potential harm or even assist the body's natural detoxification processes from these pesky microplastic particles. Including foods rich in anthocyanins in your meals could help your body fight back against the potential adverse effects microplastics bring over time. And while some good sources of anthocyanins include colorful fruits and berries, like blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, you can also think of cherries, plums, red apples, and grapes. And of course, colorful vegetables like red cabbage, purple carrots, and purple onions are a great source of anthocyanins to help your body fight back against these pesky microplastic particles. Being cautious of what you ingest and adding some of these delicious ingredients into your diet is your secret weapon against these environmental stressors. Now, beyond diet, I must mention that lifestyle choices are also an important key factor to fight back against microplastic contamination. Take regular exercise as an example. It improves circulation and supports your body's natural system for removing waste. Staying active constantly can strengthen your body's ability to not only handle the challenges associated with microplastics, but also various anatomical functions. Similarly, maintaining a healthy weight and avoiding smoking generally contributes to overall resilience and well being. So it's always good to keep that in mind. And well, to wrap things up, while the challenge of microplastics is indeed a complex one, just to say the least, taking individual action is empowering. By being mindful of plastic use, filtering our water, choosing nutrient rich foods, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, we take an important step towards protecting ourselves from microplastics. And as research continues, we will learn even more of the effects of these particles and the ways we can live alongside and hopefully mitigate the impact of these pervasive particles. That's all for now, folks. Thank you for sticking around till the end. If you liked this video and want to see more similar content, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It really does help. And make sure to hit that bell notification icon so you won't miss any future videos. Thank you once more. Until next time, and this is me signing off.